Josh&Sarah. And today we have Mommy today. And today we're going Today we're going to be unboxing the Speedstorm remote control boat. It's for ages 10 and up.
How about me?
And maybe Sarah could play it because I'm with her.
It says in
XB Speedstorm remote control boat. And it's available in 4 colors. It's available in
white,
blue, blue, red, green, and black.
So which one? What color?
See.
And we have the gray and green version.
And the blue. And this is from Five Below.
Mommy and Daddy told us that they got it from Five Below. Yeah. And we got this so that we could use it at the beach.
Let's open it.
Okay, let's open it. And this needs
We need what?
3 AAAs for the boat and 2 AAs for the remote.
We have this here. And we open it now.
Okay.
Is that double A's?
Yes.
Not triple A's? Double A's, triple A's. Wait, what's triple? 6, 3, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is
2.
Or 0? Wait, 0 that means none, right?
Yes. A 0A. That's gonna be a huge battery.
3 AAA, right?
Yes.
It's gonna be this huge. Oh yeah,
Let me open it.
this huge.
That's gonna be a big battery. Bigger. What's inside of it? Okay, so now
Now it's open.
It's open.
We get the boat.
we have double propellers on the back and the remote control.
Can I?
There you go.
Oh, this is so small.
And
Put the
let's put the
batteries,
batteries in. Once we figured out how to put it in. Okay,
Maybe
in the top.
right here.
Okay, so we have it open, and now
And guys,
open.
when it's a baby, they might drown it. So
They're gonna drown the boat.
yeah, you're not
Well,
allowed.
It says there, do not submerge.
do not put don't put the boat underwater.
Yeah,
Just
but
let it
the
float.
baby might
Yes,
push
you
it
could
down.
just
Just
put
let
it on top
float.
of the water and then let it float. Now we just have to all 4 of these unscrew.
This is so
Because
small.
there's so many screws,
Why
making
is
it
it
most
so-
likely to keep
Can I
it
see the
watertight.
Why is it so small?
While waiting for Kuya, we put the 2 double
Oh,
A
it's
here.
working. Now we use it on the table. Let's
And
test
put the
height.
screws back.
It's not going to work on the table. It has to be in water to work.
Found a bird. Mommy said it's orange and green. It was orange and green.
Okay, so we have this ready. And it looks like it has these 2 metal pieces at the back so that it could detect when it's in water. So that it won't work above water and
Now it's ready.
Can I try?
But it says it should be in the water before you play it.
because it has these 2 metal pieces and when it goes into the water, it's going to connect
Let's do.
these 2 metal pieces right there. When it's in water, it's going to complete the circuit and allow these 2 propellers to run when you push the remote forward.
And we had a swimming pool.
So we could test it out there.
See.
Now let's try it in our mini swimming pool.
Does it?
Okay,
Oh,
so
okay.
when we put it in the water, it's going to turn it on, and that's going to be the indicator that it's going to turn on.
Go. That's
Remember-
oh no!
And this one has a full function.
Oh no, don't go off.
And And it's very important. Since, yeah, it's working. It's just that we have a very small pool.
Okay, now Sarah can try. Whoa, that's fast. That's fast.
And very important, do not forget, don't submerge it
In water. And
Do
once
not
you take
touch
it
the
out,
propeller.
it's going. Once you take it out, it's going to turn off.
Do not touch the propellers.
That's what happens when you take
And
it
it
out.
seems so fast, unlike the other one. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, Sarah did. Oh, good job, Sarah. This Sarah is good. This Sarah is good.
Running into the walls.
Wow.
So it's working, and I think we're ready to take it to the beach.
Yeah.
But not right now because it's late.
The next time you go to
How about on
We
Thursday?
could use it. Thursday?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe. So, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe button down below. And if you have something like this, please put that in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.
See you next video.
Yeah.